Hi ladies, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about how to wear two of the most popular crochet skirt style, the crochet midi and maxi skirt. Whether you're looking to dress up or dress down, these skirts offer a variety of styling options that will make you look and feel confident. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back and get ready to take some notes as we dive into the world of midi and maxi skirts. Let's start the video. A crochet midi skirt is a versatile and stylish piece of clothing that can be worn in many different ways. Here are some tips on how to wear a crochet midi skirt. First step is pair your crochet midi skirt with a simple t-shirt and sneakers for a casual look. This is great for running or grabbing lunch with friends. Second tip is for a more dressed up look, wear your crochet midi skirt with a silk blouse and heels. Add some statement jewelry for an extra touch of glamour. And now, third tip is to embrace the bohemian spirit of a crochet midi skirt. Pair it with a flowy blouse, sandals, and a woven bag. This look is perfect for a summer day or a festival too. Next tip is for a professional look, wear your crochet midi skirt with a crisp button-up shirt and closed toe heels. This is a great option for the office or a job interview. Next tip is in cooler weather. Layer your crochet midi skirt over tights and wear with a chunky sweater and ankle boots. This look is cozy and stylish. Overall, a crochet midi skirt is a versatile piece that can be dressed up or down depending on the occasions. So have fun experimenting with different looks and finding the one that works best for you. So let's come to the next topic, how to wear a crochet maxi skirt. And here are some tips. First tip is pair your crochet maxi skirt with a simple tank top and sandals for a boho inspired look. Add some oversized sunglasses and a woven bag for the perfect finishing touch. Next tip is for a formal occasion, wear your crochet maxi skirt with a sleek blouse and heels. This is a great option for a wedding or a fancy dinner party. Next tip is on a warm summer day, pair your crochet maxi skirt with a crop top and flip-flops. This is a casual yet stylish look that's perfect for a day at the beach or a pool party. Next tip is in cooler weather. Layer your crochet maxi skirt over leggings and wear with a cozy sweater and wear coat over the sweater and ankle boots. This is a warm and fashionable look that's perfect for a chilly day. Next tip is for a glamorous look. Wear your crochet maxi skirt with a sequined top and heels. This is a great option for a night out on the town or a special event. Overall, a crochet maxi skirt is a versatile that can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. So have fun experimenting with different look and finding the one that works best for you. So if you loved this video on how to wear crochet midi and maxi skirts, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're not already part of our community, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss a video. We upload new fashion content every other day and we don't want you to miss out. Have a request for a future video? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, we love hearing from you. So don't be shy, drop us a line and let us know what you thought of this video. So we will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.